Thank you very much. Thank you. I've attended a lot of events in this room, and I've never seen so much enthusiasm before. So, well, let me start by congratulating you on your advocacy for this reform, which is now becoming the law of the land. I think it's a great step forward for America. And clearly, healthcare professionals are a good part of the reason why it is occurring. And you in particular, who've cared enough to be here in Washington to express your strong views on this, make a tremendous difference. I represent New Mexico, as was said. We have the highest level of uninsured of any state, with the exception of Texas, which is worse off than we are, but we are next. We have the highest number of uninsured workers of any state in the union. We have a very serious problem of inadequate numbers of healthcare professionals. And that problem, I know, exists in many parts of the country. It certainly exists in my state. All of those are problems that this legislation will address, and will address in a meaningful way. So the decision for me to support this legislation was very easy. This legislation will go further and do more to fix the problems of the healthcare delivery system in my state than anything that I have seen proposed in the 27 years I've been here in the Senate. So this is a great day for our country. Our president deserves tremendous credit for all of his leadership. Let me also say that Nancy Pelosi and all of those in the House of Representatives who did the right thing last night deserve great credit for their leadership. And the final thing I will say is that since you are here in the Senate right now, on the Senate side of Capitol Hill, you need to realize that Harry Reid, as the majority leader, deserves tremendous credit for having gotten us to this point. Well, the final piece of business that we need to do this week in the Senate is to pass the reconciliation legislation that the House sent over. We will do that. We will pass that this week. Thank you very much.